I need to keep an area where I don't have to keep going back to it. Yeah, the steamroller did a good job. Well, the guy did a good job. All of them did a good job. And also down by Dicks and Docks, it's moved up on the medium, and it's like when it's standing up, but it's like that. You can't see that it says road closed on it. You got different color-coded pipes. There's cones. It's like Mark Taylor does with the team's cones to play tag football and softball. There's color-coded pipes there. So green is the plumbing sewage. Blue is the water supply. Yellow is the gas. So deduction that the reddish-orange flag is the electric. Where's it at? Oh, it's over there somewhere. There's a red line there. But somewhere over by where that car was. Oh well. Well, if they mowed the lawn, then they must have got mowed down. Oh well. Good thing I got on video camera where it got mowed down. It's like when the guy came and mowed here, he had to keep putting yellow flags in because people go to mow the lawn and everything, then the flags get messed up again. It's good to know that those things are flexible too, because it popped back in place. Yeah, Miss Story let me know that, and let Tommy know too that Tommy told me, Miss Story told everyone that a lady got, one of our next door neighbors across the street got a vehicle stuck in the dirt because the sign was mowed and she didn't know about the construction, and she got stuck, and it took a long time for someone to come in and get help to get her out of the ditch. Well, I hear an airplane. Where's it at? Oh wow. It's running somewhere.